In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hostinger AI Website Builder in 2024. Whether you're a business owner, a budding entrepreneur, or simply someone eager to create an impressive online presence, leveraging AI technology has never been easier. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. As you arrive at the landing page, you're going to find yourself presented with a plethora of options, all tailored to get your ideas seamlessly online with a robust website. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout, as you may find some other useful resources there as you navigate through. Now let's proceed by locating and clicking on the Login button. This is typically found at the top right hand corner of the Hostinger homepage. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Setting one up is straightforward, but for today's tutorial, I'm assuming you've already created one. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger control panel, commonly known as the H panel. From here, you should see an option labeled Home. Select this option to deepen your engagement with Hostinger's interface and its extensive features. Next, look for the website section in your H panel and click on it. This section is your gateway to launching into the exciting journey of website building. It's where all the magic starts, your creative canvas to bring your website ideas to life. As you navigate through, you'll want to click on Edit Website. This option provides you access to the tools necessary for customizing and designing your site to fit your exact needs and preferences. Whether you're changing templates, editing text, or adjusting images, this is your central hub for everything design related. Finally, to leverage AI automation, locate and click on the Ask AI feature. This innovative tool is empowered to take your website building task to the next level. Whether you're stuck on design ideas or need assistance with content optimization, Hostinger's AI is equipped to provide creative and efficient solutions. Remember, building a website with AI means you have a virtual co-creator at your disposal. Play around with different elements, and don't be afraid to experiment. The more you explore, the better your mastery of the tools will become. And there you have it, a simple guide to using the Hostinger AI website builder in just a few easy steps. I hope this video helps you create the vibrant, functional website you've always envisioned. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy building, and see you in the next video.